Did you know that mitochondria are the energy centers of your cells? And what if I told you there's a way to boost your energy, improve your metabolism, and even support your health naturally? Introducing Mitolyn, a revolutionary supplement that will transform your life. Stay with me and find out how it can help you. Constant fatigue, difficulties in losing weight, and lack of energy. These are signs that your mitochondria aren't functioning as they should. They are essential for producing energy and keeping our bodies active. But over time, their efficiency can decrease, impacting not just your metabolism, but also your overall health. Now, imagine a supplement that works directly at the root of the problem, strengthening your mitochondria and revitalizing their functions. That's what Mitolyn offers. Let's dive into the details and understand why it's so special. With a scientifically formulated combination of natural ingredients, Mitolyn is designed to revitalize your mitochondria. Here are some of its ingredients and the benefits they bring. Maqui Berry, rich in antioxidants that promote heart health and boost energy. A true superfood that protects your cells against free radicals. Rhodiola, a powerful plant that helps reduce stress and improves physical and mental performance, perfect for those seeking balance in their daily lives. Astaxanthin, an exceptional antioxidant that protects your cells, supports joint health, and contributes to healthier, more radiant skin. Amla, a fruit widely used in traditional medicine, known to enhance mitochondrial respiratory capacity and support healthy digestion. Theobroma cacao, more than just chocolate, this tropical superfood improves mitochondrial structure and supports cardiovascular health. And promote overall balanced health. Each ingredient has been carefully selected and combined to maximize its benefits. With regular use of Mitolyn, you'll experience positive effects on your energy, focus, and overall well-being. Beyond its incredible ingredients, Mitolyn also stands out for being 100% natural, chemical-free, and non-GMO. This means you can trust its quality and safety, but don't just take my word for it. Hear what others who've used it have to say. Thousands of people worldwide are already experiencing the benefits of Mitolyn. Real testimonials highlight renewed energy, faster metabolism, and even healthier skin. People who are struggling with daily fatigue now feel like they've gained a new lease on life. Imagine waking up every morning with the energy to take on the day, whether at work, the gym, or with your family. Imagine achieving your health goals without resorting to artificial or temporary solutions. That's what Mitolyn can do for you. Don't waste time. Click the link below and secure your Mitolyn today. Take advantage of exclusive offers and promotional packages available for a limited time. Transform your energy, your health, and your life right now. If you still have doubts, remember, your satisfaction is guaranteed. Try Mitolyn risk-free and discover why so many people are in love with this revolutionary supplement. Mitolyn, your solution for more energy, health, and well-being. Don't let this opportunity slip away. Click the link, make your purchase, and start your transformation today. Your health's future starts here. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. See you next time.